Hey guys, my name is Sila and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get fuller lips in simple steps. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to be using two pencils. I'm using the classic pencil in 01 and 03. So I'm going to be starting with 01 at first. I tuck my lip in and then line the outer line of my lips. I'm doing that gently, following the line of my lips. I do it for the top and also for the bottom. Now I go in with the darker shade, that's 03, and now I'm using that which is much more darker to line my lips, the area that I already lined with the lighter shades. Following the line of my lips, the outer corners of my lips. As you can see, it already looks fuller. There is already a pout. I blend that in. Now I go in with the lighter shade and also use that to blend that in. I smack my lips together so that I can blend in together. Now I'm applying my lipstick. For this video, I'm using my foundation as a lipstick because I like the shade of my foundation on my lips and I'm going for a natural look. So I'm using that as my foundation and just applying it lightly to the corners of my lips. Doing that gently and blending that, smacking in, and as you see, fuller lips done. You don't have to worry if your lips are smaller. This will work for you. So that's all guys. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up and also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Bye.